Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable video chats on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here, tap on the settings icon. And here you can see allow video chats option. Now, in order to disable this feature, you'll just have to tap on the button of allow video chats option. So that is how you can disable video chats on hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.